Hi Madness fam, welcome back to another cooking video. In this one I will be doing my chili in a crock pot. But first you gotta cook your meats in a pot or a pan, degrease it, and then throw it into your crock pot.
Through all the days and seasons, there's no place like home. Sharing our story, one day at a time for you to see. Walk to a new world, where every memory is gold. Come break up our sleep, hope you're ready to see. Join us for the fun before the whole day is done.
So I'm chopping up my onions, I got a pepper, my meat is already inside of my crock pot. These are the two beans that I will be adding into my chili. Tomatoes and my diced green chilies. I get the reddish chili powder and I add that into my chili. Now I'm adding in my cumin and I put 1 teaspoon of that into my chili. And the same thing with my paprika, it's 1 teaspoon of that as well. Then I put my 2 cilantro and I add in my brown sugar. I then turn it all around and mix all of my stuff together and it smelled so good. Now I cover it and I let it cook for about 4 hours on high. My son's 2 chili cheese dogs. And here is my chili cheese dog. If you haven't liked this video on the way in, make sure you give it a big thumbs up on the way out. And I had to serve me a bowl of chili with the works. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you.